Hello all, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life. I'm coming to you today with a planning video. This is my wellness planner. I'm still working on my 2022 stack, but I've got most pieces there. Then I have to work within each piece. But this is my wellness planner. And I'm trying to get that sticky stuff off from Heavy Planner. This came from Heavy Planner. I do love the cover. And I need to put myself first. So I've got my candle burning, my little flowers to cheer me up because I've been going through some things. I got my tea with my ginger honey in it, steeping. This is a cup my sister gave me. This is God is transitioning you to something new. And I said, yes, that's the cup I want to drink out of. Okay. I got my ARC hole punch and my stickers. And I got this emotional self-care for Black women. I got this from Amazon, and I don't take care of myself. I take care of everybody else. So I am going to use some of these, punch them, and put them in here because my medicine, because I have it's been a while. I guess it's been November-ish from last year. And it's the second day of February now that I was diagnosed with thyroid disease. So it just really threw me off on what I needed to do with my medicine. So I had to rethink how I would approach that. So I've been collecting a few things in here. I didn't get it ready in January, but I've been just collecting some things that I will use to set it up. So I haven't started that yet. And I need to get to this week which is next week. I did a test sort of run in January to see if it worked. I had to make some changes. Let me see if I can find that page. So as you can see, there's a lot going on. That's just really medicine, food tracking, monthly meds, weekly meds. There was a lot going on here, and there's some other things I had to just change around. So I did that as a sample, and now, not saying it won't switch up again, but I'm going to lay down these stickers that I did with my little hand crank instead of busting out my silhouette. So, this is my early AM medication, and I'm pulling it off the sticker off the paper so I can lay it down. I already messed that up. Okay. So this goes on the morning of each day. Because there are medications I have to just space out. I already had meds that I had to space out, and now with the thyroid medication, you can drink nothing but water with that for several hours. So I have to take it. Ooh, no. Let's get this up so it'll still be functional. Okay. Gotta be more careful though. One thing this thyroid disease does is make you exhausted. I was already exhausted anyway. This just makes it worse. They're still figuring out my cocktail, so I think we might have it. We'll see. I gotta get a thyroid scan. Cut that little piece of hair out off. Oh no, I got cats and a dog. So their hair gets in places. Okay. So we're laying down our early morning. This actually goes all the way to the day. So after I get this down, I'll sort of walk you through what it is doing. We're all, and I'm sorry, these are the stickers that come out of that machine that I use. I've got videos on that, so hopefully that won't be an issue. Going in a little bit closer. Oh, this lens is heavy. Okay. got a wider angle lens for my clothing hauls, because this channel is about beauty inside and out, and we are doing an inside beauty day with my, the hair, okay, with my wellness planner, and one more of these. Okay, so this is my early mid, then, because that's done at like in between 4 and 5 o'clock in the morning, and then my AM meds and supplements, midday meds and supplements, evening meds and supplements, and bedtime meds and supplements. So that's what all of these represent. So I have to really make sure that I have taken them all. Then I have a food tracker. I need to be having an item here. Let's see here, laying down. This. I'm gonna move this part out of the way so we don't need it. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack. If I have that. So let me get some more of those and lay them down. So we have our AM, midday, evening, and bedtime meds being tracked here. I'm gonna have to change these. And this is food tracking. Here at the bottom, I'm putting my morning routine to midday to evening and evening wellness. If I don't track it just really doesn't get done. So that's what I'm laying down now. Sorry, y'all. I didn't realize it wasn't in frame. So I'm gonna go over that again because I'm probably gonna have to cut some of that out. This is my morning wellness routine that's God-centered. Devotion, Bible in a year, something I'm doing right now. Coffee and Jesus and a candle. I love candles. It gives me a lift, so that's part of my self-care, if you will. And midday to evening, I throw in a 15-minute straighten up or clean break. I have to take a 1-hour break where I walk away from the computer. Then some self-care item, I don't know what it is, but I'm leaving space for it. And then something miscellaneous that I need to I can put there that's associated with my wellness. Then in the evening, my hubby and I have committed to coming together at 7 o'clock, no matter what's going on, might be earlier, for us to have time together. And I do my planner check. I'm drinking my hot tea, I'm making tea, and it just relaxes me to be able to go to sleep. And I'm trying to get in bed by 10:30. I'm definitely under the cover. I might be sipping tea and still writing something in my wellness planner, who knows. But that's what this routine here is. So I will add in the last tea. I just made these in a Word file. And I did the changes after I tried it. What I showed you earlier was trying it out in January and seeing what was missing, what didn't work, what did work. Okay. Still have a few left, and I keep these in a folder. These are my daily meds. So instead of intention, I'm putting daily meds. So I'm gonna go up. What we got here. These are the extras that I can use again. Let me put it here. Where's it up here? Oh, that's another folder. I need a folder for this one. I am going to use this. I'm still signing my stuff up. So for now, some of these things I know I'm going to add in here in some kind of cute way. Go to the front. Put this folder, which came out of a here, folder here, and you see it's already punched. And I think it goes along decently with the cover. You see that? So I'm going to pop this right in the front. And I can keep several things here, including my stickers as I'm making them. I haven't I pretty much make them right before I use them, but when I have something left over like this, I don't have to make this thing. But like I was saying before, it's just a wood file, and I just cut out my things and run them through my little sticker thing that puts the backing on it. Okay. So we'll make it cute later. Right now, I'm just trying to make sure I can functionally work with it. Which this is the just that we're working on. Okay. So monthly meds, weekly meds, water tracker, midday supplements. Okay. You see the days, and I need to drink 64 ounces, which I do pretty well. I have one 32-ounce container, and I fill it up at least twice, but usually more than that. Okay. Back like to sip some of my tea. That's really good, y'all. I have some mint tea mixed with some mint tea mixed with a mint tea bag, a lemon ginger tea bag, and a spring blossom tea bag. And I had this was a ginger honey spoon, like a tablespoon of honey to add to it. Okay, so this is what the week looks like and the things I need to try. So, my wellness has to include some other things. In this self-care book, I'm already going to be exercises, but I'm in this 14-day stretch where, based on what's in here, I already did my self-care assessment. I did a body scan checklist, and I did finding the words wheel. And then there's a 14-day, where 14 days, the next 14 days you spend time using the feelings wheel, which was this, to reflect on your feelings for the day. And I wanted to just use one sheet, even though they give you one a day, for the week. So, I've already got I had a lot to say on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but I'm going to squeeze it all the way to Friday. So this, I want to only use one sheet in a week. So I'm going to have to be more precise about my feelings. And I want to just, fill it up like this. Basically, make it a half sheet. But let me come out, punch these edges. That's what that means. I was wondering how I was going to do that. But I can take it out, right on it. It will cover the week. Just stick it in each. A punch. Unlock it. And just... I love this punch, but it is not very deep compared to how deep the line part of the tree is. With the happy pointer, you'll see that in a second. You see that? They're not very deep, but I'm gonna work with it. Start from the bottom. And have this sheet here that I can take out, right on. And put what I have to say. That'll help me keep track of what was happening when I was feeling a certain way. So that's part of my wellness that I'm looking into. I might do some other things, but keeping my medicine right, making sure I'm taking food at the right time to go with the right meds. Like I can't have grapefruit anymore, y'all, and I love grapefruit, but one of my medications, you can't do that. But I still have a spot. I can put some goals or anything over here, or even maybe a few little decorations, but reflecting on today was, thankful for, focusing on looking inward, daily gratitude, loving this. I still have a little bit of space here to mark up something. So this is my approach at the moment. For my wellness, I'm putting these stickers in the folder in the front. I might do a little more to it. But right now, I'm not trying to make it cute yet. I'm trying to make it functional. And once I know this is the layout that's going to work for me, Then I can decide how I want it to, put a few things here and there to make it cute, which I plan to do. So that wasn't too bad, y'all, right? Let me see, get you a little closer to see certain things. Okay, that moves pretty easily. And then bring it back out so you can see my candle, my white strip, white out, beautiful plain scissors. And just, I try to take some time to feel good about what I'm doing because I've been struggling. So I'm on the struggle bus, y'all. The short struggle bus with the protective helmet. That's me. Okay. So I need all about it. Any suggestions or anything else that you think would help make it more complete or things I should be looking at? Because honestly, throughout this COVID environment, I have not felt like planning. It just sucked the life out of me. And being sick and going through all these stressful things that are happening in my life, it's been very difficult for me. So I need something that's going to make me want to come back and work with this and write with it, because it takes me a little bit to cut this out. I'll do it while I'm watching TV sometimes, but I like to come in here and sit down and set up my themes and just, look at it and it be for me. So I appreciate you all joining me. This is Quita with Quitassential Life, showing you my wellness planner setup for the moment. I will come back when I've zhuzhed it up and made it cute, and we're gonna see if this works. And if I have to make any more changes, I think this is gonna be okay for now, and we'll see what else I will be doing for my emotional wellness. But thank you for joining me. I really appreciate your time. And oh goodness, that's my kitty cat sneezing. Gotta get him some lysine. I appreciate your time and thank you for joining me. Check out my other planning videos, Creatively Planning Your Life, on my playlist. And if you're so inclined, please like, subscribe, share. I'm trying to get help, and grow with you all as well. So, and a big shout out to the Pen and Paper Girls Morning Tea Crew. Love them to death. Because of work, I can't always join in, but you might want to check that out in the mornings around 8-ish. So thank you. Bye, y'all.